Our lesson this time is multiplying decimals. Multiplying decimals, pretty simple. Let's say we have a problem such as this. 224.5 times 3.2. Write it in the form that we usually write it in arithmetic. Don't worry about lining up decimals. In this case, since we have 5/10 here and 2/10 here, the decimal points are going to fall within a line, but I haven't really tried to line them up. 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7, and 3 times 2 is 6. Add them up, 4, 14, 7, 11, and 7. Now, go back to the problem and count the number of digits that are to the right of the decimal points. We have 1 here and 1 here, total of 2. So we come down here and we count off 1, 2 spaces, and we place the decimal point right there. Another example, let's say we have 2.58, and we're going to multiply that times 3.2. Remember, I said we don't need to line decimal points up. We just need to keep the numbers in their respective columns. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. 3 times 8 is 24. And 3 times 5 is 15 plus 2 is 17. And 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. 6, 5, 12, 8. Now we go back to the problem and we count the digits to the right of the decimal points. 1, 2, 3. There's a total of 3 in the problem. So we come down here, 1, 2, 3. We count off 3 spaces and we wind up with 8.256. So in multiplying decimals, you do not need to line the decimal points up. What we do is we multiply just as in arithmetic. Then we go back and we count the number of digits to the right of the decimal point in the problem, and then we count off exactly that same number in our answer. So to multiply decimals, we multiply, count, count. There it is. Multiply, count, count. I just realized I made a mistake here. I copied this incorrectly. That should have been a 5. But the point of the example was to show how to multiply using a decimal number, so it really doesn't affect the example that I gave, but I'm sorry that I copied the problem incorrectly. I do make lots of mistakes.